All right, first thing you're gonna do is undo these 3 Phillips. This is coming out. So we're gonna replace this part. So everything has to slide this way. So you gotta take off this wheel. Allen wrench. Out this comes. What happens is these springs wear out and they don't engage, and this was fitting in there all loose. So go ahead and pop that out. Move it. You'll notice on this is longer than this. The short side goes in this side. Much tighter fit there. These just pop in here. Gotta stand it up so you can see what I'm doing. That can be a little tricky. There we go. I like to push these springs down a little, like so. This is going to fit back in there like that. And then make sure your impeller's good. It looks like we're missing a piece there, which is actually right here. These suckers just slide in like that, and we'll put that back on like so. This is easiest to put back on if you dump these screws. Just dump the screws, put this sucker on, drop these bad boys in. I always use hand tools on these. Excuse me. Because if you use power tools on plastic, it'll crack this housing. And just the top piece is like 80 bucks, and then the bottom piece is like 220, and then at that point it's like you might as well just get a new back. The other thing I'll show you on these wheels, see how this nub is almost even with this? So this nub, when these guys are new, sticks up to like here. And what that does is, so when the wheel spins, and let's say it gets to a drain cover, it lifts up and over the drain cover. So it's time for some new treads on this guy. To do that, you just peel them off, peel them back on. And we'll put the Allen wrench back in. And the other thing you want to line up, this doesn't really matter on this one, but see how the nub is pointing this way? You want it on the opposite side. Just helps it get over stuff. That's where it needs to be. That's where it needs to be. Cool. Put the screw back in. And 9 times out of 10, this will fix your problem with these guys. These 4 wheels definitely have more issues than the 2 wheels. See how loose that is? This probably actually needs a new... I have an extra back here. Yeah, they're all loose too. But I'm not a big fan of the 4 wheels. Typically I'll sell them a 2 wheel. And good to go.